welcome to the channel. Today's video, we're going to do a very quick flow, a 10-minute flow of some exercises that you can do to prevent yourself from having urinary leakage or peeing when you run or cough or sneeze or laugh. So we're going to start with our feet about hip width apart. We're going to put our palms facing down, nice slight bend in the elbow. Make sure your posture is nice and aligned, meaning that the area that's right over your pelvic floor, there's a dome over your respiratory diaphragm and a dome over the top of your head. You want to line those three sections of your body up. Slight axis shift forward and just breathe. Good. Breathe. And as we're breathing, we're really being intentional to breathe so that we're filling our lungs. You're going to feel that expansion of the lungs and the expansion of the rib cage 360 degrees laterally around. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale and exhale. We're going to put our palms facing the outer part of the wall, so facing the wall opposite you, and you're just going to breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. If you want to start to challenge yourself now, keeping that slight axis shift forward so that you're making sure everything is aligned, you're going to inhale twice. And then at the bottom of the third inhale, you're going to do a hypopressive apnea if it's safe for you. If not, just continue with the lateral breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Last inhale. Exhale. Close it off at the bottom. As you're doing that hypopressive apnea, see if you can feel that lift of the pelvic floor as you take that false inhale. Inhale, exhale, repeating the sequence one more time. Inhale, exhale, last inhale, exhale, close it off. And relax. Hands down at your sides. We're going to do a little bit of articulation with the wrists and the hands. So you're going to inhale front, exhale back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. All of these should be nice and soft breaths like you're misting a window. Inhale and exhale. We're going to bring one foot forward, keeping that back leg so that the heel is touching the ground, toes face front, and you're just going to line up, palms face forward. Inhale. Exhale. We're not doing an apnea in this position. We're going to actually articulate the arms up and down with the breath. So inhale, being really intentional about it. Good. See if you can bend that leg even further. Inhale, exhale, and now inhale up. Lift the right arm. Exhale down. Good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Both arms up on the inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Come out of it. We're going to put the other foot forward. Making sure the toes are facing front. Nice deep bend in the knee. Inhale, slight bend in the elbows. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale one more time. Exhale. Inhale up with the left arm. Down. Up with the right arm. Exhale down. Both arms inhale. Exhale down. Good. Inhale. Exhale down. And come out of it. We're going to slowly, I'm going to turn to the side. Hips are about stacked right underneath your shoulders. Make sure that you have a nice flat back, bending over, and you're going to just make sure that you have that neutral spine, line everything up. You can slightly lift your toes off the ground and just breathe here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, slight bend in the elbow, pushing into the knees. Exhale. And we're going to start a sequence of apnea breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, nice and soft exhale like you're misting a window. Last one in. Exhale. Close it off and begin that apnea. And relax. Good. We're going to get down onto our knees and we're going to have our toes tucked under if you can. And you're going to feel like there's a magnet between your heels, pulling your heels together to remain parallel. The knees are stacked right underneath the hips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Nice soft bend in the elbows. Exhale. And we're going to begin that apnea sequence. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last inhale. Exhale. Close it off. Begin the apnea. And exhale. Good. Now we're going to get onto our hands and knees into the all fours position. We're going to have our toes tucked under. Feet are going to be about hip width apart. Make sure you have a nice flat back, and you are going to face your palms in toward each other so that your fingers are facing each other. Nice flat back, slight bend of the elbows. Inhale. Exhale. Pull the belly in and up toward the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And close it off. Begin the apnea. And you want to make sure as you're doing that apnea that you're not coming out of that flat back position. We're going to come so that our palms are on the floor. Lining everything up. No apneas here, just breathe. Making sure you have that nice flat back. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly move your palms so that they're facing in, and you're just going to bring yourself down, maintaining that nice flat back, and breathe. slowly coming out of it, we're gonna move on to our backs. While you're on your back, you are going to make sure that you are driving your heels into the ground, about hip width apart. Make sure that there's a little space between so that everything's nice and lined up. All I want you to do here is breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. And now palms facing the ceiling. Nice. Slight bend in the elbows, keeping the shoulders down. And those scapulas, those shoulder blades are going to be wide across the back. Inhale. Good. One last lateral breath. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly inhale. Extend your right foot out. Inhale again. Extend the left foot. Inhale both arms back. Exhale. Inhale, cross the legs. Exhale. Second inhale. Reaching through opposite sides. Exhale. Third breath, inhale. Exhale. Close it off and begin an apnea in this position. And exhale. Uncross. Inhale. Exhale. Cross the leg. Reaching through opposition. Keeping your feet slightly flexed. It's called dorsiflexion. It's a very light flex in your foot. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly apnea. Inhale, exhale, come up into the cross-legged seated position. And palms on your knees. You want to extend your feet ever so slightly and slightly flex your feet so you're nice and aligned, and just inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. This was just a nice light flow to start getting you started with understanding how the pelvic breath and the lateral breath and that pelvic floor lifts, and also help practice to get that into your muscle memory so that you can start feeling more confident with things like urine leakage and overactive bladder and the inability to empty that bladder. So all of these things, the more consistent you do it, the more you are going to gain that tone and function of the pelvic floor. Thanks for joining us today.